Hey guys, this is Eddie from ManMade Kennels. So Sarah has brought out the colors. And we have the red and the blue one are males. The rest of them are females. And they all look amazing. Really good looking puppies. They're 3 weeks old right now, so they still have a lot of growing to do. But as you can see, some beautiful looking puppies. Look at this girl.
Who's gonna get it?
There's a female. That's a boy. It's King Leonidas Jr. right there.
What?
This way.